going on? My name is Mike, I'm from 1A Auto. I'm going to show you how to check the oil on this 2001 GS300, same for 98 to 05. Once you open the hood, right here in yellow is the oil dipstick. Pull it out. And there's not a lot of clues here, but there's basically just two little marks on the end of it. You want to make sure, basically, you usually want to check it after you've been running the engine and it's been shut off for 10 or 15 seconds. And you should keep the oil somewhere in between there. If you need to add oil, as in this engine, oil fill is right here. Generally, you probably want to use a funnel. I'm going to put a half a quart in here. Make sure you put the cap on nice and tight. You add oil, wait a minute or so, and then just recheck. And you can see that half a quart brought us a little further up the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.